On a new front-loading washing machine, here's what you really need to know. A lot of people end up choosing a washer that doesn't match their home, their space, or their laundry habits, and that's what causes all the problems later. Everything I mention is in the description, so you can check specs and reviews for yourself. Today, we're going through the 7 best front-loading washing machines. This will help you understand which one fits your routine, your family size, and your space. So let's break each of them down in a way that's simple and easy to follow. 1. LG Front Load HE Stackable Smart Washer. This model is great for anyone who wants a quiet, smooth-running washer that works well in small spaces. If you're in an apartment or you want to create a stackable setup with a matching dryer, this is one of the most reliable options. It does extremely well with large loads while still keeping vibration low. LG's motor system is designed for long life, and it also has great balance control, so the washer doesn't shake or move around during heavy cycles. The smart features make this model stand out because you can monitor cycles, get notifications, and run quick diagnostics from your phone. One thing to consider is that because this model uses more advanced smart features, you'll want consistent Wi-Fi to get the most out of it. And you'll want to follow detergent guidelines because high-efficiency washers work best with the correct amount of soap. Choose this if you want a modern, space-saving washer that's quiet, efficient, and easy to control from your phone. Everything is in the description if you want deeper details. 2. Whirlpool 27-inch Smart Front Load Washer. This washer is a good fit for families or anyone needing a dependable machine that doesn't break easily. Whirlpool is known for long-lasting parts, and this model focuses more on performance and durability than on flashy features. Some things it does very well include its load balancing, which helps the washer stay stable, and the automatic detergent system that measures exactly how much soap you need for each cycle. It also has a smooth drum design that helps keep clothes from tangling or rubbing too hard. You should consider that this washer isn't the most stylish option in the group, and while it is quiet, there are slightly quieter models on the list. But when it comes to pure reliability, Whirlpool is trusted for a reason. If you want a washer that can handle frequent loads and keep running for years with very few issues, this one is a strong choice. Description has the details if you want to compare. 3. GE Smart Front Load Washer and Dryer Combo. This model is made for someone who wants a full wash and dry experience in a single machine. If you don't have room for 2 separate units, or you simply want the convenience of not moving clothes between appliances, this is a smart option. It performs well in terms of convenience because you can start a cycle and come back later with everything already washed and dried. The machine also has a great detergent system and solid smart features that let you keep track of your laundry from your phone. But you should know that combo units take longer from start to finish than separate washer and dryer setups. They're best for smaller families or individuals who don't have huge laundry loads. If you want maximum convenience, minimal space usage, and an easy laundry process, this washer and dryer combo is an excellent fit. Everything is listed in the description if you want to dig into specifics. 5. Speed Queen FF7 Front Load Washer. This washer is for people who want the highest level of durability. Speed Queen machines are known for being built like commercial washers, and that same build quality carries into this model. It does extremely well in heavy-use situations. If you're washing multiple loads every week, this machine can handle it without slowing down. The drum design, the motor system, and the overall build are all centered on long-term reliability. It's simple to operate, and while it may not have all the smart features of other models, it makes up for it with consistent performance. One thing to think about is that the price is usually higher than mainstream washers, and it doesn't focus heavily on modern tech features. But the long-term savings come from not having to replace it for many years. Choose this if you want a washer that lasts, works hard, and focuses on pure performance. Check the description for the specs. When comparing front-loading washing machines, remember that the best choice comes down to how often you wash, how big your loads are, and whether space or convenience matters most. 5. Samsung Bespoke Smart Front Load Washer. This option is great for someone who wants a stylish machine that also performs at a high level. The Bespoke line is designed to look premium and fit modern spaces, but it also delivers powerful cleaning performance. It does very well with fast cycles, fabric protection, and smart features that help you optimize every load. The machine uses sensors to adjust water levels and cycle intensity. It's also one of the best options if you want something quiet and efficient. Things to consider: Samsung's higher-end models rely more on Wi-Fi and smart integration. If you want something more basic with fewer tech dependencies, this may feel more advanced than you need. But if you want style and performance in one unit, it's a strong pick. If you want premium look and top-tier cleaning power, this is a great washer to choose. All details are in the description. 6. LG Smart Electric Single Unit WashTower. This model is designed for people who want to save space without going with a full combo unit. The WashTower gives you a separate washer and dryer, but stacks them in a very efficient vertical layout. One of its best features is the centralized control panel. Instead of having controls on the top of the dryer, everything is at a comfortable height in the middle. The washer cycles are fast and efficient, and the sensor technology helps protect clothes by preventing overwashing or overdrying. You should consider the height if you have cabinets or a low ceiling, because this washer and dryer tower is taller than a traditional stack. And since it's a single combined unit, you can't replace just the washer or just the dryer later. If you need maximum convenience, minimal space usage, and an easy laundry process, this washer and dryer combo is an excellent fit. All details are in the description. 7. Miele Front-Load Washer with QuickIntenseWash. This washer is for people who want the highest cleaning performance in the premium category. Miele machines are engineered for precision, gentle fabric care, and long-lasting reliability. It does exceptionally well with fast, deep clean cycles through the QuickIntenseWash mode, which gives you strong performance in less time. The drum protects delicate items while still handling tougher loads. The machine is quiet, stable, and built with high-quality materials. Things to consider: this is one of the more expensive washers in the category, and servicing is typically done through authorized technicians only. So it's best suited for buyers who want premium quality and are comfortable investing in it. If you want top-tier cleaning results, excellent fabric care, and long-term dependability, this Miele washer is the one to look at. Full details are available in the description. Those are the 7 best front-loading washing machines. The right choice depends on your routine, how much space you have, and how much convenience you want in your laundry setup. Everything I mentioned is in the description, so you can compare specs and reviews for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.